Clearing the confusion. Need to versus have to. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to delve into an area of English grammar that can often cause some confusion, even for intermediate learners. We'll be focusing on the modal verbs, need to, and have to. Both these phrases express obligation, but there are subtle differences that we need to understand. By the end of this video, we're sure you'll have a clear understanding and will use these verbs correctly and confidently. Need to expresses a necessity or requirement. It's often used when the speaker identifies something as important to do, but there is some flexibility. It's not as urgent or obligatory as have to. Consider this example. I need to do my homework. In this sentence, the speaker recognizes the importance of doing the homework, but it's not necessarily urgent. On the other hand, have to is stronger and conveys an obligation that is imposed by someone else or by circumstances. It's used when there's no choice in the matter. For instance, I have to submit my project tomorrow. This sentence suggests an obligation or rule set by someone else, perhaps a teacher or boss, and there might be consequences for not fulfilling it. A common mistake is using need to and have to interchangeably, but remember, the nuances are different. Need to suggests personal necessity, while have to often implies an external obligation. Incorrect. I need to catch the train at 8 a.m., otherwise I will be late for the meeting. Correct. I have to catch the train at 8 a.m., otherwise I will be late for the meeting. The obligation to catch the train is due to an external circumstance, the meeting, so have to is the appropriate choice here. The key to mastering the use of need to and have to is practice. Try creating your own sentences using these phrases, and pay attention to their usage when reading or listening to English. Understanding these subtle differences in English grammar can really elevate your language skills and make you a more confident speaker. We hope this video helps you distinguish between need to and have to. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering these nuances in no time. Until our next lesson, happy learning!